So I know some of you are new to the channel, but if you guys missed the video where I shared how to remove nail polish without using cotton balls, I decided to do a little time lapse of me removing my polish with the microfiber towels that I shared in that video a while back. I'll leave the link in the comments if you'd like to go take a look, but using the microfiber towels to remove the nail polish makes it so much easier and better, because then you can just wash them and reuse them, and you don't have to have any waste throwing away cotton balls and having to buy some every couple weeks or every month or however often it is you use them. So I really like using the microfiber towels. This is one that I've used probably over 5 to 8 times, maybe more already, and it's still good to use. I got them from Dollar Tree, I think like 3 or 4 in a pack. So yeah, I had started doing my nails with the pink glitter and I didn't like it, so I decided to take it off and just do a holographic top coat by finger paints, just to do something quick so I could record y'all another video. I wanted my nails to be polished, so I just threw something on really quick, and I love it because it's holographic and I think it looks pretty on my little short nails.